So hi guys, I downloaded a what do you call the knocker in Minecraft. This is gonna be so scary, bro. But I feel like this is not scary. I just feel like it's just add-in, and it feels like it's not scary. But who cares, bro? Like like other mod is scary, but this I feel this is not scary. Just wait, guys, till you see the knocker. You're gonna be so yeah. I'm just gonna find a perfect place to. I'm gonna make a very cute house, like a small one, and yeah, I'll be back, guys. So, guys, I'm just gonna get some coal so I can, guys, cook some stuff. Is it? Yeah, stuff. Like this, guys, that, guys, sorry, guys. Okay. Ooh, emerald, bro. What are the chances? No, like, you can make a tool out of emerald. It's just for trading, guys, trading some villagers. I feel like this is. I'm gonna make one torch and that's it. Ooh, okay. And I downloaded the knocker, guys. So cool. Ooh, give me some shit right now. So good. Okay, I'll be back, guys. So I'm just chopping some wood, guys. I'll be back when I can start with my house. Alright, guys, so I'm back. I just got a stack and a half spruce log. So many. I think that's enough. I think. Cause I feel like I'm gonna do a big house. And let's just not do a big house, cause that's gonna take us a while. Okay, guys, I'll be back again. Yeah. Yo, guys, I found some iron. I'm just mining. Like, I'm just mining. Yo, guys, this is a mine shop. Yo, my first diamond. Oh my. I'm just gonna make some furnace, guys. As always. Okay, guys, let's see how many diamonds. Oh, just one. Okay, it's fine. Yo, guys, I got. Wait. Yeah, I got this. I just need a leggings, and I'm okay. Okay. Yo, I just need 4, and I have. Okay, we're good. I'll be back, guys, with a full set of iron. Now, we're good. Oh, nah, bruh. I forgot my tools. Okay, guys, wait. Just wait. Okay. This and the sword. Okay, we're set now. Nice. You guys, I was digging down and I found diamonds. Oh, 5, yes. But yo, guys, another. Oh, ooh, 2. Okay. Give me your beef. Give me your beef. Yo, what happened here, bro? Okay, guys. I'm gonna build my house now. I'll be back when I'm done. Guys, just look at. Let's have some fun. Never open the doors for strangers. I'm gonna put my respawn pointer. No. Okay, nice. That was so close, bro. Okay. Where's the knocker? Look. He's typing in the chat, bro. Yo. Guys, the second time. No. 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 This is my house, guys. Done. Where's the knocker? Where's the knocker? I've been waiting for too long on the knocker. It's too long. Just gonna eat. This is house tour. Dang, guys. Let's see. Wait for the knocker. Okay. Just gonna wait. Wait. Guys. Oh, trick or treat. Wait. Yo, he's not here, bro. Yo. I see him. Bro, that's gotta be him, right? Yeah. Bro, just running around. I'm gonna kill him. You are that. He's just whistling. Yo, what? Now he's gone. I be back, guys, when it's sunset again. Guys, I'm back, guys. Now, where's the knocker at? Yo, what was that, bro? Like, what's that? Hear that? It's yo. Bro, I wonder who's at my yo. Just gonna guys, what I'm gonna do? Yo. Okay. Bro, he's scary looking. Okay. Open the door. Bro. Okay, I'm gonna confront him to stay away from my house. Oh, pretty bird. No. Here you go. Yo. Okay. Get over here. Yo, there's many monsters. And again, it's over there. Yo guys, this is the last one, okay? You can escape. No, I can. Oh my. Yo, that was intense, bro. Yo. Wait guys. That was so intense. Okay, that was for it. That was today. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. Subscribe. I hope you like it. And if you have a favorite horror mod, just comment so